Hi guys, today I will explain how to connect Alpha Network to Trust Wallet. This process will be simple and easy. The first thing is open the Alpha Network application, and once it will be open, from the bottom you have to select your profile. Scroll down, and before going any further, make sure you have signed in your account. And once you sign in, you can see the option or the third number, sign in with Alpha. Tap on the option Keys Manager. And you can see the keys has been generated. If it's not, then click will get generate keys. Once the keys will be generated, copy it. Now close this application and open your browser which you are using in your mobile phone. And in the search bar, you have to search for Alpha Network. As you can see, I already searched. And on the top, you can see the main website. Click on it. Let me close the desktop mode. Now we have switched to mobile. Go scroll down and tap on the option Go to Exchange. And if your account is not signed in, then first you have to sign in your account with the help of that generate keys. So you have to input that keys and tap on the option sign in. But I already sign in. The last thing I have to do is I need to tap on the option connect wallet to add funds. After tapping on it here, you can see the option left connect. Just click on it. After tapping on the option connect, you can see below the Trust Wallet application pop-up has been shown. Just click on Trust Wallet, and then your Alpha Network will be connected to your Trust Wallet application. And it was the way by which you can do it quickly